How to reset your password in CWB Digital Banking. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you reset your password in CWB.digital. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the source field, you'll have to search for CWB Online Banking. After you search for that, simply you can find the official site of Canadian Western Bank. Simply tap on cwbank.com. Now from here, at the top right, tap on sign in. From here, choose for the option CWB Digital Banking. After that, you'll have to scroll down and tap on sign in. From this interface, you'll have to just enter your username if you remember it. If not, simply tap on can't log in. Now from here, tap on forgot password. From this interface, you'll have to just provide your email or username. After that, a verification code will be sent to your phone number via SMS or voice call. After that, you'll have to just verify with that verification code. After that, you'll be able to reset with the new password for your CWB bank account. After that, you'll be able to reset that. So this is the method. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.